Very good morning, dear students. I'm back with a surprise video. This video will tell you about the course structure of social science for the class 10. Right? There are some things that you should know, and there are some things which are really important. So without wasting time, shall we begin? First, we will look at the split up syllabus. Already I have provided the split up syllabus, but it is provided by the KVS. In board classes, we use the split up syllabus provided by the CBSE. First, India and the contemporary world. 2, that is history. The first chapter you're going to study the rise of nationalism in Europe. Already it is over. The second chapter is nationalism in India. In this chapter, you can expect the map for 2 marks. In all of history, there will be a map question only from this chapter. The third chapter is an option between these 2 chapters. It can be either this or this. Fourth chapter is print culture and the modern world, compulsory chapter. So you have one optional chapter here. Questions will come from both of these chapters. You can attempt any questions. And this whole history for 20 marks. Equal weightage. Let's move on to the next one, that is contemporary India 2, geography. Now resources and development already done. Forest and wildlife. Now remember, there is a note. The chapter forest and wildlife to be assessed in the periodic tests only. So it will be there in the periodic test. It will not be there in the board. It will not be there. Water resources. Again, last year this chapter was not included, but this year what they have made is the map items of this chapter will be evaluated in the board exams. Only the map. Rest is as that it will be assessed in periodic test. Agriculture, minerals and energy resources, manufacturing industries and lifelines of national economy. Geography is a little lengthy, but the chapters are interesting. Understanding economic development, that is economics from economics development already done. Sectors of the Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy. Consumer rights. This chapter will be done as a project work. This is project work. Last year, remember, you did disaster management. Democratic politics, that is political science. First chapter is power sharing, done. Federalism, democracy and diversity, and again this is will be assessed only in periodic test. This is for PT. Gender, religion, caste, popular struggles and movements. This will not be evaluated in the board. Again, it's for PT. Political parties, outcomes of democracy, challenges of democracy. Again, it is for PT. 3 chapters are PT. Those chapters which they have prescribed for PT shall be taught in the class, but not in so much detail. The rest will be taught in a good detail. Now let's look at the question paper pattern. Now a lot of you are asking the question paper pattern. Now this is what we get. This is the CBSE which has given the question paper pattern. In social science, you will not get a question paper blueprint as you will get it in science or maths. The blueprint is not based on the chapter, it is based on the competences. Now you can see here, remembering and understanding, total marks is 28, weightage is 35%, applying 14, 17.5, formulating, analyzing, evaluating and creating, it's 32, 40%, map 6 marks, 7.5%, so that comes at 80. So 2 items from history and 4 from geography will come. Now let's look at the internals. Nothing new, all you have done last year, right? 20 out of 20. Now you have 20 marks in the internal, you have to get 20 out of 20. Out of 20, 10 marks is for periodic assessment, right? Out of 10, 5 is for pen and paper test, that is this best of PT. You will write 3 PTs. Out of those, best of 2 is taken for 5. The rest 5 is for quiz, debate, role play, viva, group discussion, interactive bulletin board, gallery, exit cards, concept maps, whatever we do. Remember, we did some of the techniques last year in 9th. So that is 10 marks. The rest 5 is for portfolio, the classwork and the assignments, any exemplary work that you have done, achievements of the student in the subject throughout the year, participation of the student in different activities like Heritage India quiz, can be Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, and 5 marks is given for that. And subject enrichment activity, that is the project work, has 5 marks. Remember, last year you did disaster management as the project. Now this year, what is the project? Every student has to compulsorily undertake any one project on the following topics. You can make a project on consumer awareness, any social issue, or sustainable development. Remember, whenever or whichever topic you take, the steps are the same. You have to remember the steps, that you should compile the data, you should write in your own handwriting, data analysis, and the marks you can see here. That's where a lot of you argue that you did not get the desired marks. For content accuracy, originality analysis, you get 2 marks. Presentation and creativity, 2 marks. Viva, 1 mark. However, this 5 marks cannot be given directly, so we will take it in 25, then reduce it to 5. Now guys, as the summer vacation may be very near, so start preparing for the project. So when the school reopens, I will require the project materials from you. I expect you to take any one of the topic here and be ready with the project material. Now these are some project related instructions. Remember here that some of them are already known to you, should be handwritten. Now you can see point 9, records pertaining to projects of the students will be maintained for a period of 3 months. I have your disaster management and I have given it back also because of the lack of space there, and these are the prescribed books for class 10. Please procure latest reprinted edition of 2020. Now this is in a nutshell the whole course structure of social science. I hope you got enriched with the course structure. Now if there is nothing new, then really good that you already know it. If you didn't know, then it is high time that you see the video again and get all the information from it. So thank you for watching. You can see here, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video so that everybody gets benefited from it. So until the next video, see you.